I made my first sale online with a product I didn't even create, and you can too. When I started my journey, I thought it would take me months and months before I saw success. I didn't have a product, I didn't have a website, and I didn't consider myself a techie kind of person. One simple decision led me to a system that changed everything. And today I'm going to tell you exactly what I did. Plus, one unexpected lesson that I learned that's going to save you weeks of trial and error. Hey there, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of two. I was looking for a system that could give me more flexibility, more time, more money, and more freedom when I discovered this simple digital marketing system. And now I teach you these simple digital skills and give you the confidence to have a profitable side gig. I know exactly what it's like to be looking for an online business, but think that's way too complicated for me or I could never do it. I was in enough pain and struggle around finances that I decided to take a leap and just dive in and do it. I learned the basics of digital marketing and set up an income stream that worked for me from day one and earned back my investment with my very first sale. When I saw the system, I thought, this can't be real. How can I make money selling something that I never created? Something that you can't even touch. The truth is, it's all about finding that right done for you product. One that already has a website, a payment processor, and even free email follow ups in place. All I had to do was plug in my name, link up my accounts, and start sharing this offer. I understood that digital courses were in high demand. People were already searching for it. I just needed to get in front of the right people. That very first sale covered my startup costs, which meant every sale after that was 100% profit. If I made just one sale a week, it would have been worth it, but I made several. Don't underestimate the power of starting simple. You don't need a fancy brand or years of experience. You just need the right system and the willingness to take action. If you're thinking, okay, that makes sense, but I need more of an explanation. I need to know how it all fits together. Well, then go to my free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the links below, and it's going to explain exactly the system that I used when I got started. It breaks it all down step by step. What if you could start earning before you even finished the training? Well, that's exactly what happened to me. The system I joined included a step-by-step process and lessons that I went through, and I was able to learn and earn as I went along. I was earning before I even finished the whole training. I implemented each lesson as I went along, and the income started flowing in. I remember I was doing a training video and my emails were working in the background. That's the beauty of the system, the automated emails. And I got a ding saying I had made a sale. And I was so excited that this was working while I was studying the process of digital marketing. It can work for me, it can work for you too. Even if you only made one sale a week, you would still be learning and earning as you go along. You don't have to know it all. All you have to do is start. Make one decision, get started today. If you're feeling confused and wondering how this all connects, then I recommend you go and download my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. That's going to tell you exactly the steps of how I got started doing this digital marketing business. It's the exact step-by-step plan I use to go from zero to earning income online. Here's where I got hooked on earning online income. I woke up to 900 while I was sleeping. That was the most amazing feeling and continues to be every time it happens. This is called automation. It comes from the possibility when you have automated emails set up for you working 24/7 that you can earn income 24/7 as well. Because the digital marketing system I invested in had a series of automated emails already connected with it, I just had to plug my name in and everything else ran on its own. I didn't have to be online. I could be at my job. I could be sleeping, out to dinner, and income could be coming into my account. This was a magical, beautiful system that I just love. One of my first sales happened while I was still at my full-time job. And I just love that because I earned $1,200 in my side gig at my job, which is almost more than I would earn for 2 weeks of my job. So I was super excited that this could be automated and work for me 24/7 in the background. This automation allows you to scale your business, whether you're earning 500 at a time, 500 a month, or 5,000 a month, it can work for you automatically. This is how you're going to break that cycle of trading your hours for income and start multiplying your income. Need a clearer picture of how this all works? Then download my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below, and it's going to explain to you the step-by-step process that I took to implement this new digital income into my life. Now, if you're thinking, I'm not tech savvy at all, then let me just stop you right there. I'm in my later years, and I started with absolutely no tech background. The system was already built for me. I just had to plug in my details and start sharing it. If you can fill out an online form and post a simple post on social media, then you can do this business. Even without technical skills, you can make hundreds or thousands of dollars each month with a digital business. With no time wasted on learning tech skills, you can start focusing on sharing and selling the programs and products that you offer. And this is where all the income is going to come from. Don't let technology scare you. It's way easier than you think. If you're more of a visual learner, I have a free webinar linked below. This is a webinar that my mentor, Michelle, did where she explains the step-by-step process of digital marketing. And you can learn from her how it actually works, her story and other stories as well, and how they set up a digital marketing system that set themselves free. So go below and click that free webinar. Maybe you're wondering if you missed your chance or the market's too crowded. Let me assure you, you haven't, and there's tons of room for you. Online learning is growing at an incredible pace. People are buying digital products more than ever. There is plenty of room for you to carve out a space for yourself to start earning online. Even as a total beginner, I was able to stand out by simply showing up consistently and regularly. Whether it's $900 a month or a full-time income that you're looking for, the opportunity is wide open. You're not too old and it's not too late. You're just one decision away from getting started. If I can make my first sale online with a product that I didn't even create, then so can you. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Please comment below. What's your number one reason that is holding you back from starting an online business? Drop it in the comments. I reply to everyone, and your story might help somebody else. And if you want to see the exact program I used, I've linked it in the description. You are just one decision away from a whole new freedom. You might want to learn how I started with zero money and earned 20K with absolutely no experience. It all starts with watching this next video. See you on the next video.